everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. This is very tasty and delicious. These chilies are really hot. This is one of easiest and simplified method to make chicken biryani. Today I'm going to share with you very easy and simple chicken biryani recipe. This is the way I make it. Please try it and you're going to like it. Very delicious. So whenever the kids ask me, Dad, we want to eat chicken biryani, and you always know chicken biryani takes a long time to cook, but if you try this way, you're going to like it. Very tasty and simple chicken recipe, and this is the way I make it, chicken biryani, that I'm going to share with you today. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. I'm using boneless chicken thighs. This is 3-pound chicken cut into small pieces and washed with the cold water. 1 cup sweet peas and 2 cup basmati rice. I have water ready. We're going to place the basmati rice inside and we're going to wash it. I put the strainer so it's easier that we can take it out. So I'm going to wash it like a couple times. You don't need to soak it for longer period of time, like overnight or 4 hours, just like a 5-10 minutes. That will be enough. And 4 cup water. To garnish our dish, I'm going to use green chili and ginger. I'll be using 2 jumbo size onion, 1 tablespoon ginger and 1 tablespoon garlic, and 1 tablespoon green chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, and 1 teaspoon cumin seed for rice. So when we're going to make a rice, we're going to add only cumin, peas, rice, water, and olive oil. I have 3 medium-sized tomatoes and good amount of cilantro. As for the dry ingredients, I'm going to use a half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon black pepper, salt, degi mirch, coriander powder, garam masala, biryani masala, 1 teaspoon each, olive oil for tadka. And let's start making our delicious chicken biryani. All these ingredients I'm using, I always list in the description, so please check it out. And now we're going to go on the gas and start cooking chicken biryani. Start burner, get a fry pan, add olive oil. I use olive oil in my cooking. You always can use whatever oil you have available, vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin seed. Cook for 10 seconds. Add sweet pea. Mix it. These sweet peas are frozen. Cook for a half minute, and now we're going to add water. It's 4 cup water. Mix it. Cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. As the water started to boil, I'll open the lid and now we're going to add rice. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid. Now it's very important. If you follow this recipe, you will get the same results what I do get. So now on a high gas, we're going to cook for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking on high gas, high flame or high heat. Now I'm going to start another burner, which is the back burner, and we're going to keep the gas on a simmer. And I'll move this one on the back burner, just like this. As you can see. Now we're going to cook it for 10 minutes on low gas. You don't want to open it. And now on this gas, we'll bring a karahi. Now we're going to cook the chicken, and as you see on the back burner, we have the rice on a simmer. So 10 minutes exactly we're going to keep it. And then after that we're going to turn off the gas. In the karahi, we'll add oil. Add oil as needed. As the oil starts to heat up, we'll add onions. Add the second onion. Mix it. Now we're going to cook these onions really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. We're going to make sure that the onions are nicely brown. It's exactly 10 minutes. Rice is fully cooked. And now I'm going to turn off the gas. We're not going to open the lid, leave it as is, and we're going to keep continuing cooking our chicken. So we're going to make sure that the onions are nicely browned. Cooking onion for a good 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add cumin. Bring the onion on the side, add cumin, add ginger and garlic. Mix it. Now mix all. So keep it moving and keep cooking. After adding ginger garlic, we're going to cook for a good 2 to 3 minutes. And on other burner, which we turned it off, I just wanted to show it to you how the rice looks. One tip I wanted to share with you, as you see that a lot of moisture trapped on the lid, which is the water. We're not going to tilt it, otherwise it will go inside. And now with the help of fork, look at this. Very nice. It's all done. If you look at each grain is totally separate. So the rice is nicely done. I'll put the lid back again. As the onions are nicely cooked, nicely translucent, now we're going to add green chili. Mix it well and cook green chili along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking green chili for 1 minute with tadka. Now we're going to add tomatoes. Mix it well. After mixing it well, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. The whole reason we're going to cover it so that the tomatoes get tender. It's exactly 3 minutes cooking with the cover lid. I'll open it. Mix it. And if we see now, the tomatoes, they get tender. If we press it, they get mashed easily. Now we're going to add all the dry spices. Mix it well. And cook the spices along with tadka for 1 minute. cooking spices with tadka for 1 minute. Now I'll add chicken. Mix it. On high gas, on high flame, with open lid, cook for 5 minutes. With open lid, it's exactly 5 minutes. Cooking on a high gas. Now bring your gas to medium. Cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes cooking on medium gas, which is medium flame. I'll open it. Mix it. If we check the meat, it nicely cut through. So within 15 minutes, this is the reason I use boneless chicken, because it does not take that long to cook. If we see any piece, if we grab it and it just cut through. So 5 minutes we cook on high gas, and now 10 minutes with the covered lid on medium gas. So this is fully cooked. Now we're going to add cilantro. Good amount of cilantro. Mix it again. Once it's nicely combined, our dish is all ready. This is one of the reasons I cook it this way. It's a very simplified recipe. Now we're going to bring the rice inside the chicken and we're going to give a good mix. So I'm going to turn off the fan. Now we're going to add the rice. Now we're going to mix it. This is very delicious recipe, and please try it and you're going to like it. If you feel like eating a biryani, then this is one of the easiest recipe. And now bring your gas on the low, which is a simmer, and keep mixing it. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add more cilantro. Mix it one more time. We're going to add green chili. This is a good thing about these green chilies. They are really hot and you can pull these out. If the kids don't like it, then take them out. And ginger. And some more cilantro. On a simmer, cover with the lid, and we're going to give only 2 minutes. On a low gas, I let it sit for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to open it, turn off the gas. And this is very delicious. These chilies are really hot. This is one of easiest and simplified method to make chicken biryani recipe. This is the way I make it. Please try it and you're going to like it. Look at this. Very delicious. Please try and I'm sure you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.